In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a customer quote in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to save a professional quote you can send to your customers. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Zoho CRM credentials so you can access your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, give it a second to load and make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization if your account has more than one. Next, we need to move into the part of Zoho that handles quotes and other sales documents. Look for the inventory section in the top navigation bar or in your modules list, depending on how your layout is configured. Click on Inventory. This area is where Zoho groups things like products, quotes, and sales orders, so you'll probably come back here often if you work with pricing and proposals. Inside Inventory, find and click on Quotes. This will bring you to a list of all existing quotes in your system. It's a good place to quickly scan what's already been sent, check statuses, or open previous quotes for reference. For now, we're going to focus on creating a brand new one. To do that, look for the option to create a quote. This is usually a button labeled Create Quote or something very similar, typically near the top of the page. Click Create Quote to open up the new quote form. You'll see several sections you'll need to fill in, and we'll walk through them one by one. Start with the quote information section. Here, you'll usually enter the quote name or subject, select or search for the customer or account, and set basic details like the quote date and the expiration date. Take your time with this section. Accurate customer selection ensures the quote is linked to the right contact and account. If you have any custom fields your company uses, such as quote type or internal reference numbers, fill those in as well. After that, move down to the address information. This typically includes billing and shipping addresses. You can often pull these in automatically from the associated account or contact, or you can type them manually. Double check spelling, postal codes, and country selection, especially if this quote might be used for shipping or tax calculations. Now, go to the quoted items section. This is where you add the products or services you're quoting. Use the add or plus button to insert line items. Select each product or service from your catalog, adjust the quantity, and confirm the price. As you add items, Zoho will calculate subtotals, taxes, and totals based on your settings. Make sure the pricing, discounts, and tax values match what you've agreed with the customer. Next, enter your terms and conditions. This is the text that explains payment terms, validity periods, delivery conditions, or any other legal or commercial notes your company requires. You might have a standard template that you reuse, but you can also customize it for special agreements or promotions. Then add any description information. This area is useful for internal notes or additional details for the customer, such as project context, special instructions, or clarifications that don't fit neatly into the line items. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure the quote is accurate, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the page. Click Save. Your customer quote is now created in Zoho CRM and ready for you to preview, print, or send to your customer.